Hey friends, this is Atif Opier and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. On a daily time frame chart after the breakout from this down channel, the price line of Dogelon Mars is still trying to break out this long-term resistance line that starts from 10000 and 006 time 002205 and goes to 2500. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance line has been working as a resistance on here, resistance on here, resistance here, and support on here. Let me to highlight this area so it will be more visible to you. You can see that previously it had been working as support on here, resistance on here, and now again price line is trying to break it out. We had a long spike here for the price and so far not able to break it out. And if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have broken out the bottom of this resistance line. And recently the price line is rejected by the upper part of this resistance line that is here at point 0000 and 006 times 02500. And if we take a look at the oscillator, then you can see that stochastic is now overbought and we have received a bear cross, like this fast line has crossed down the slow line, the orange line. That is a sell signal, and now there is a probability that the price line may test this previous resistance, the lower resistance of this resistance line that is here at point 0000 and 006 times 6 times 02205 dollars, and it may form another higher low here, and then it may try to break out this resistance of 2500. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SCR, you just need to click on the link for the setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, the price line formed this broadening rising wedge pattern. In fact, we found the support and resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern when it was moving inside this channel. And we broke it out, this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And now the previous resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern is working as support. And recently, the price line, after testing this support, the previous resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern as support, price and geared up. And now it is again trying to break out this long-term resistance line that starts from 2205 and goes to 2500. And recently, it is once again rejected by this 2500. And now there is a probability that the price line may test this support, the bottom of this support zone at uh, 2205, and after the formation of another higher low here, like this will be another higher low here, and then it may try to break out the resistance of 2500. In case of breaking out this resistance of 2500, we may see that the price and may also hit the target for the breakout from this down channel that is here at 4200. It had been previously working as a resistance here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Dogelon Mars. By the way, here for a few weeks, it has been working as a resistance here and resistance here as well. This 4200. And now we are switched to the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at point 0000 and 05 times zeros, $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.